Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw PH888 to GCash. So the first one is withdrawal guide. Login access to your PH888 account using your credentials. Then you have to navigate to Cashout. Find the Cashout or wallet section within the amount menu. Select the withdrawal, choose the option withdraw or cash out. Number 4. GCash as method, select the e-wallet or bank transfer option and look for a GCash, specifically PH888, often lists directly GCash. Enter your details, enter amount you wish to withdraw, ensure if it meets the minimum withdrawal requirements, and provide the registered GCash mobile number and link the GCash account. Details as prompt. 6. Confirm and submit. Double check and details for accuracy and confirm the transaction. Number 7. KYC verification. If this is your first withdrawal, PH888 may require your complete nor your customer verification by summary valid ID or proof of address. Then you have to process in the process. The platform will process the request. Transaction times can vary, but often claims fast withdrawals. So, following these tips, you can withdraw the money. As you can see, only the first time will ask you for the verification, but after you can do it easily. So, I hope this information helps you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.